Okay, I have a balance including court costs of $3,852. Mr. Ajin and I spoke earlier this week. He's planning to move out by the end of the month and is looking to resolve the balance with a payment plan. I reached out to my client and I just need to hear back from them as to whether they're going to be they're going to accept that payment plan.
So since this isn't for that, I just find you're moving out at the end of the month. Is that it? So what I'll do is I'll find no tribal issue. I'll issue a judgment for possession. For that total amount of 3,852. But the writ will be extended to this way you don't have to come back to May 30th. I'll just do it. It's a Saturday, but I'll just do May 30th. 2026. All right, sir. You understand that? So what I'm doing is I'm issuing a judgment. You'll have to the end of the month.
Okay.
If you don't pay the money, they'd get to remove you anyway from the premises, but you're going to leave.
Yeah.
And then you can work out a payment plan with them for the back panel.
Okay.
Fair enough. That way, unless you want to come back down here and see me. Well, don't be so fast to say no. I mean, but all right, fine. All right. All right. So that ought to work it out for you.
Okay.
All right. Take care. Forrest Knoll versus Arlene Bonner. Your name?
Arlene Bonner.
That's which one?
Yeah, I was late writing that judgment for the previous.
Oh, I was wondering. I got it. What? No, I had everything organized. Bonner, they're just messing me up. All right, where are we on this?
I have a balance including court costs of $1,630.
Okay, she did an intake on 5/12. Go ahead.
1422 now. 1422 now.
You made a payment.
I made a payment last week, and I'm going to make a payment Monday because when I get off of work, they'll be closed today.
All right, so did you apply to SOS or Hawk, right?
Hawk and DHS.
Okay, so Hawk is reporting that your intake was on May 12th, right?
Yes, at 10 o'clock.
Received documents from you and are awaiting documents from the landlord for review. So
They sent the paper. The office sent the paper 2 days ago in my mailbox and said I owe $1,422 now.
Okay, gotcha. But
I don't know I honestly I don't know your.
Because I gave them $1,400.
Hold on.
Okay.
The last payment that I have, just to make sure we're clear on the payments, was May 5th, $500.
No, I gave them a $1,400 check.
Okay, I see. $1,400.
That was the last one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it was broken out into 5522 on the ledger for some reason. Since then, so after that point, there are late charges for May, and then the court costs are added onto that for a total of the 1,630.
Okay.
But we can.
But did they give any indication? They were waiting on landlord documents at Hawk to determine what they can help you with. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Okay.
Caseworker. What's the case?
No, they don't list who the caseworker. Do you remember your caseworker?
I think her name was Alicia, but I can't remember her last name.
That makes sense. Okay. So let me do this then, ma'am. I'm going to adjourn you out a week. Okay. To the 22nd, 2026 at 1 p.m. and an in-person hearing. Let them get the documents over there, figure out if they're going to help you with anything. And if not, then we'll figure out where we go.
Can I still pay? Because I do have 900 today, like I said, to give to them on Monday, a money order.
Okay, you can.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you can do that. Why don't you do this for me?
Okay.
This balance isn't going to go up anymore.
Okay.
Why don't you? Can I trust you to hold that, or you
Yeah.
take it out and spend it?
Oh no, I'm not like
Sure.
I'm positive.
Sure.
Positive.
Okay. Don't come back here talking about, well, I saw this purse or something I want.
Oh no,
I'm just kidding.
I'd rather have a roof over my head.
Yeah, I got you. I understand. So, and the reason I'm just hold on to the 900.
Okay.
Let them get the documents and let's see what they'll pay.
Okay.
Because if they won't pay the whole balance, but they'll pay part of it, we may be able to, or if they're going to pay the whole balance, we can get yourself ahead for June.
Okay.
How about that?
Perfect.
Okay. I
Okay.
think that'll work. And then that way things get less stressful.
Okay. Right.
Okay. We'll see you next week at 1.
Thank you.
Have a great weekend. Gulfside Lakes and one. Why do you have that vest on?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I work with special need kids.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you work for the school. All right. Yes, ma'am. Who? Me and you? What do you mean? Are we...
On TikTok.
Oh, will that I don't control that. My things are just streamed and people come up and they put it on there and then they tell me I'm on, I don't know. Because I'm not on social media, so my kids tell me.
Oh.
Okay. Take care of yourself. I just wanted an orange vest. I want to wear one of those out here. Gulfside Lake 1 and 2 versus, is it BK Diarrhea?
Bakai Diarra.
That's what I said. Why are you correcting me? I'm kidding. All right. How you doing?
I'm doing good, Judge. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing okay. I messed it up the last time too. So, all right. Where are we on this case?
I have balances for costs of $4,345.16. But I believe Mr. Yara was
Is he on?
following up with some with math and friendly from last week and see if that could be fruitful.
All right. Where are you on this, sir?
So recently my vehicle has that's why I'm not there currently right now, but recently my vehicle has been impounded. So that situation has totally threw me off of what's currently going on right now. So I like, sat and contemplated. I do get out of my lease next month, June 15th. I was wondering if I can get until June 5th to, move everything out and just, start a payment plan because, just everything is just backed up without me having a vehicle.
All right. So you're thinking of just moving out. You can't get out before the end of the month? You know what I'm saying?
Because the vehicle, I don't have a vehicle currently with me to get everything out. So
Oh, so you
yeah.
need that next week.
Yeah.
What you're saying.
Yeah.
All right. Let's do this.
Did Mr. Diarra say June 5th or June?
You said June 5th.
June 5th,
right?
yeah, June 5th.
I think we can do that.
Okay. All right, we'll do it. Here's what I'll do. If I know tribal issue, I'm going to grant a judgment for possession. I'll extend the writ date to June 5th, 2026. All right.
Okay, Judge.
And then you'll be all set. All right.
Yeah,
Go
no
out,
problem.
get yourself settled. Take care of yourself, young man.
Thank you so much, Judge. I appreciate it. You
All
enjoy your
right,
day.
All right. One versus Crystal Stanley. And John Stanley and Jordan Haley.
Oh. Jordan, that work.
Yeah. Your name?
Family.
All right. And what do we have as a balance on this?
Julian Engen for plaintiff, Your Honor, I have. I have a balance in the court costs of $1,074.
All right. All right. How are we gonna get this paid? Do you
Yeah.
know?
Oh, yeah. I talked to Miss Dorsey yesterday and she said I need a COD. And that I had to come to court, make sure it's paid by the 31st.
So you're planning on paying in full by the 31st?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Your Honor, I'd happy to do a judgment release that is in full.
Okay, I can do that.
It probably will be earlier than the 31st, but
Okay, so what counsel's indicating is that they have a judgment. I would just find that there's not a tribal issue for the court
okay.
case. I'd extend the writ date out or the order of eviction date from what would normally be the 25th to the 31st.
Okay,
You'll get it paid. If you get it paid, then dismiss the case.
that sounds great. And then
Fair enough?
fair enough.
All right.
Your Honor. Just so it's a.
Yeah, right, because that's a Monday.
Okay.
So I'll find no tribal issue. Grant a judgment for possession. First or thereafter, 2026. All right. And I'll sign the judge paid. They'll set it aside. Everything will be all set.
All good. Thank you
All
very
right.
much.
Thank you. You have a great day. Weekend. I'll pull that. That way you have to count it. Milton Crossing 1 versus Tammy Evans. Oh, everybody waving at each other. Oh no, watch her. Hello,
Hello.
what's your name? Oh, whoa.
And
Thanks. No.
it's on social media.
All right. All right. And let's see, where are we on this? You had indicated there were certain repair issues for you.
Yes, sir.
Did those get addressed at all, or where are we? So they didn't get addressed. Nobody came over, or what?
Hey,
Wow. Okay.
That the bedroom window leaks and then, what's going on with the dishwasher? Is it just, it's not working or?
it's not working and it's full of water. And it's a smell come from it in the washing machine and the dryer. It's messed up.
Wait, I had
The washing machine,
here before, it was the bedroom window. There was then the washer and dryer
and dishwasher.
and the dishwasher.
Yes, that's it.
And I think when we did that, because we were on Zoom at the time, that Mr. Fink was gonna try, I think he was here,
Yes,
gonna try to get somebody over there, but nobody's come over yet.
no, sir.
All right.
Your Honor, I just.
All right. What do you have as the,
Balance currently $927.
okay,
I'm-
so,
$927.
so she's paid quite a bit. I mean, she paid, because I had that she was gonna pay 1,500 by Monday. That would have brought her into $2,000 range, but she's obviously made another
No,
other kind of pay.
Your Honor, the balance that I have is. The balance that I have is 927. It looks like there was on the 8th. I'm gonna have to, I don't have the ledger that we had that date, but I will follow up Does the 927 sound right to you? Or does it sound lower than what you would?
I'm not sure.
Okay,
I just want to be able to pay what I owe.
right.
Hang on, hang on. So here's what you told me. So last time we were here, the balance that was given, including court costs, was $3,687. She had indicated she was gonna pay 1,500 by Monday.
That is correct. And
I paid
Did you do
it.
that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, she did that.
so I don't know what the discrepancy is, Your Honor, but obviously the balance that on this ledger on May 8th is different than what
Right.
we would have had last week. And so what
Gotcha.
I do is I don't know if this is it subsidized, your is the rent subsidized?
Section,
Okay, so that might have been it, like a payment came or something.
Yeah, that might be.
Okay, got it.
Double check though.
Okay, so I'm gonna adjourn it out a week. I want the sheet. I want these repairs done. Because as I recall, she told me the last time she's been living with these for a while now. She asked that they be done, and I'm not saying that they can fix them all right away, but somebody needs to get over there and check on them. And so I want that done before we come back next week. So I'm gonna adjourn you out. What? Yes, ma'am. No, it's okay.
I can't come in person because I get off work at 1. I work 5 a.m. to 1. So I can't unless it's later.
Your Honor, do you want
So
to?
you don't want to see me?
I love to see you.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No, I'm not.
Ah,
You know, people are offending me all over the place today.
I don't want you to be offended.
Oh, I know. All right. So you get off of work at 1,
5 to 1. I work 5 to 1.
Do you want to adjourn it out
2 weeks. Okay. I'll do this for you. Okay. 29,
Okay.
2026 at 2 p.m. Will that work better for you?
Sir,
All right.
date it.
See, I can be nice. All right.
Oh, nice.
You take care. You have a great weekend.
You.
All righty. Hamilton Crossing 2 versus Anthony Kaba. She's on the shoot. Grant application.
Brian Ingen for plaintiff.
That means. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Fatimata Kaba.
Okay. I have a note from Hawk, and I don't know how to interpret it entirely. It says waiting for electronic signature for grant application from client.
Yeah, and then I sent that in yesterday. My caseworker, Alicia Sykes, I think. She's in the process of getting that check sent over to the office, I think.
To the complex? Okay. So you were at the end, your understanding is you were at the end of the process.
Yeah,
You needed to sign and then it was gonna
Yeah.
go. All right, what do you have as the current now?
2.
2002. All right. So what I'm gonna do, ma'am, is I'm gonna adjourn you out to the 22nd, 2026 at 1 p.m.
Okay.
Okay? Hopefully they're gonna get over there. There might be a slight discrepancy of about $50 somehow or another, maybe. Who knows? All right. But hopefully then everything will be paid and we all set.
okay. Thank
Okay? Thank you. New Park Ridge versus Sydney